This video will talk about if-else-if statement. This is basically how you can create a series of conditions. As an example, you might want to be able to create an if statement to test whether a mark or you want to give a grade to a mark. For example, you have a mark like this. Let's say this is a mark, and you want to know whether you want to give it as an A, B, C, D, or fail, something like that. If mark is greater than, let's say, 80, greater or equal to 80, you say cout A. Okay, else if, and this is how you use else if, mark greater equals to 70, you put it as B. Else if mark greater equal to 60, you output C. And else if mark greater equal to 50, you output D, example. And you might want to else if and for example, you might want to have another one which is else. This is to capture for something that is if it does not belong to any of these. So you can say it is, or you can say if mark greater than 0, you can say fail. And you might want to have another last one which is just an else. This is to capture something that is maybe wrong input or whatever. You can say invalid mark, something like that. And if you run this code, because 78 is the mark, it will give out B. So how it is testing is like, because mark is 78, this one will evaluate to false, so it will skip over this one. And if you, because this is true, mark is over 70, and it will evaluate this condition, right? Because this is else if statement. Right after it evaluates one condition, one statement, it will skip over the rest because it has found the correct one.